Welcome to my first vlog of 2026. Why, you may ask? I have no particular reason except I feel like I have a lot of time on my hands. Catch myself looking at my phone too much. I do a lot of things by myself and I thought it would be interesting to just share those quiet moments with you guys because I anyway talk to myself a lot. I enjoy watching other people's vlogs so much, more than TV shows. So I was like, maybe it would be a good idea. So that's why I'm doing this. That's my intro. So today's plan is pretty straightforward. I finished my class and breakfast in the morning. I have some time. I'm going to clean my closet. I have a lot of pants that I don't even wear anymore. And they're just sitting over there while someone else could actually enjoy that piece of clothing. So I thought I would clean them out and maybe thrift them to other people or just donate. I don't know. I haven't decided what I want to do. So I have to clean my closet. I have to have lunch. Then I have a class at 3, which I'm not going to do much at because of my toothache. So I won't be able to teach a full class because of my toothache. Post that, I may go to a coffee shop to just work. My dermatologist told me that these patches don't really work, but I just think they're so cute and fun. And I have a huge pimple here, so I thought I'd wear it. And you know why I got that pimple? Because the doctor asked me to eat a lot of ice cream and I did, and pew. Anyway, so I just thought I should let you know that these patches apparently don't work at all. So this is my art room where I also do a lot of pottery work and painting, and even though I haven't done painting in such a long time. Who am I kidding? But this is my wardrobe where I keep all of my tops and pants. I feel like you guys are gonna judge me, but I like to color code my clothes so you can see all the blacks together, all the greens together. It's just easy to know what I have. I do think this is a lot for one person, but these are things that I've bought like over the years and I've just kept them and I keep re-wearing them quite a lot. And so yeah, but of course I don't need so many clothes. I agree with you. I am really gonna have to give away a lot of these pants because I really don't wear them, and you know, I don't even fit into them anymore, so I feel like I really need to give them away. My favorite color is green, but I met with an astrologer last year who said you should not use green. Oh my god, is this brand new? It's brand new. I bought it because it was on sale and I got so hungry. So I came to have my most favorite snack, banana bread. It's so good. Or a chinna break. We have to take a break to enjoy this amazing banana cake, obviously. Oh my god. Okay. Here's the thing about motivation. You just have to start somewhere. And when you finish that one task that you set yourself for, you will find the motivation to keep going. For example, I only wanted to clear my pants, but I ended up clearing my dresses. Now I'm just folding my shirts and putting here because there's more space up there. So it'll just keep compounding. So just start somewhere. I just finished folding this entire pile and I'm ready to eat my lunch. என்ன இடத்துல ஒரு வெள்ளை கவுச் நான் அதெல்லாம் பண்றேன் எனக்கு தெரியல. So this bowl has a lot of veggies, some chicken and chimichurri sauce for dressing. It's really yummy. This vlogger life is hard. I fell asleep on my couch, but only for 10 minutes. I took a power nap. Now we're gonna have some coffee and head to the studio because we have a class. You and I both. Come on, let's line my lips first. I'm using the She Glam lip pencil. So I'm using this really old lipstick by Becca Cosmetics. They shut shop. I don't know why, but they shut shop. It used to be such That all of the OG YouTubers used to use Becca Cosmetics. In fact, you remember that gold highlight? Oh, I remember that. So anyway, when they launched in India, they were so unaffordable. When they went on sale, this is my chance to grab stuff from them. It's so pretty, look. This Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Spice Cold. We're getting late, so let's quickly run to class.
We are going to go drink. Sorry about my friend.
So I'm done with my day. I just have to take my makeup off, change into my night clothes and go to bed. I think I had a really good first vlog day because I was able to film my stuff while getting stuff done. I used my phone so less today and I was focused on how do I film this, what angles and all that stuff. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog and it brought you some comfort. That's my intention with all my vlogs. If you like this vlog, please do subscribe and follow me on Instagram if you want to see my other life. And yeah, thank you so much for being here. Good night. Bye my lovelies.